welcome back to another video. We got my Q50, got the homie Panda, we got his beautiful V1 Nismo. We're about to go wash the cars. I'm not sure what we're gonna get into tonight, but to start, I was like, bro, let's trade cars from here to the car wash. Toss me the keys to this, you can drive this, I can see this thing rolling, and I can have me some fun in this pretty much full bolt-on tuned 370z Nismo. I was actually thinking about setting this for one of these, so maybe this will fully convince me. Let's see how this goes. Let's step in to the Nismo. Dude, you sit so close! I can't even fit. Oh my god. Bro, this fool sits like on the steering wheel. Damn, a Nismo. Hey, he has a little Super right here. That's not bad. Oh, I could get used to this. I'm gonna hop on the GoPro for this part of the video. And the Q's looking nice. I should have bought a Nismo. What do you guys think? Should I trade in the Q for a Nismo 370Z? Best headers for EQs. Look at that little moped, bro. I can get used to this. Oh, I should have got me another Z, guys. Damn, the Q looks mean though, cruising behind me. Oh! Who's bumping music? Is that a truck? Sheesh! My boy got the outside speakers. Should I do a little pull? I had to do a pull. Sorry, Panda. I think his clutch is slipping a little bit. He's probably pissing. Didn't go in limp mode. We're good. Sounds so good, guys. So this car is full bolt-on tuned on pump, 91 pump. This car is pretty low, and these Nismo bumpers hang pretty low too, so. I could get used to this, guys. I think I am gonna trade it in for. Damn, this was pulling in the Q. I think I am gonna trade the Q in for one of these. This was having the time of his life in the Q. That shit's loud. I'll tell him to get next to me. I got gapped. Nah, this car's just slow, bro. Bro, you shifted early on purpose. My old wheels met up with the homie on the other V1 Nismo. wow. Oh, this one's open. I'm a ricer today. How'd you like the Q?
That shit's quick as fuck. That shit's like, it's looking too high, you know what I'm telling me?
Just chilling, bro.
I knew it. I said, now that you
Hey, what is that?
you know when the toilet paper is too thin and you wipe your ass and then it rips through?
Yeah.
That's what happened.
Got the homie Z. I like your wheels, bro. Where'd you get those at?
I don't know, bro. I came up.
By old Nismos. This it looks so good, bro, on this car. I'm not gonna lie. So those RPF ones, for those of you guys that don't know, that are on the Q50, used to be on this car.
I low-key missed the RPF ones, but I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah?
They were way lighter. But
Yeah, they are way lighter. That's where my old Nismos are at, guys. There's a Super right there. I didn't even notice. This car's so clean, bro, for a daily. What do you guys think? Trade it for one of these? I don't know, bro. It's because this car is pretty much one of those with 4 doors. Same motor. It's automatic. That's the only thing that sucks. But even then, like, the automatic is pretty fun. It's a daily at the end of the day, you know what I mean? He literally saw me take out the camera. He was like, "You're not exposing me." This mother... He was scrubbing.
Anyways, I was using the brush, but I don't care if it looks.
Nah, bro, no excuses.
Remember when he helped me take off my wrap off my car? I still haven't got it buffed. So the top's still rough. Regardless, it doesn't matter. My paint don't matter right now.
Yeah, it does.
No way.
You're not a car guy, bro. Oh, sick ass Q.
All over you.
All over me, bro.
12 seconds later.
How to be a ricer really quick. Bro, ain't no way you're actually scrubbing your wheels too.
I have the neon green RPF ones now. They're the drift edition. I'm gonna be in.
Bro, I don't even think you scrub yourself this much.
I don't, honestly.
The homies are really making me want a Nismo again. So when these wheels were on this car, I was settled already. I was gonna sell it. This car was going. But once I put the RPF ones on, I fell in love with the car again pretty much. I still really like the car, so I ended up keeping it. But now after driving his car and just being with these 2 Nismos, I'm thinking about trading it in again. But I don't know, I feel like I would like a V2 Nismo better. I love the V1s, but the V2s are just a little bit nicer in my opinion.
Shut up.
Anyways, I feel like I would prefer a V2, but the V1s are super sick. I really like the 14s because they have like the gray little trim or whatever on the bumper, on the side skirts, and on the rear bumper. Bro, I'm out of condition. Well, my camera died, but we're on the iPhone. But if there's any of you guys that work at a dealership, at a CarMax or any dealership that buys cars and wants to help out your boy, hit me up. Maybe we can work out a deal or something. Alright, I think I'm sold, bro. I need a Nismo. That's so sick. So for this part of the video, the homie over here is actually going to show you guys a super sick flame map. I want this flame map for the Q, bro. Or if I get another Z, I'll get it for the Z. It's like a GTR style flame map.
like an AK-47.
You shoot the flame and it'll stay, bro. It's pretty sick. I've always wanted this type of flame map ever since I was in A, but I just never got it. It's funny because when I was about to get it, I just went boosted instead. So anyways, let's show you guys these sick flames. Are you gonna shoot some flames?
Hell no, I'm trying to get my car on a liquid right now.